नीचे रख दीजिए।
बिल्कुल सही है।
हाँ नीचे रख दीजिए, पैर के उसके पैर के नीचे आना चाहिए।
आप निकालिए।
हाँ हाँ रख दीजिए। शी कैन आइडेंटिफाई।
L lion.
ओके,
अभी देखिए।
शो दैट ए लायन।
इसे L lion.
यस,
बच्चे
एक और रखिए।
एक और.
हाँ एक और रखते हैं। हाँ
Purple grapes.
सो दैट इज
बराबर,
पर्पल ग्रेप।
correct?
Hi, my name is Binaz Kaswala. I'm a mother of two daughters, and I've been sending my daughters for two courses. First, I did the brain mapping, and now we are doing the brain stimulation. I've seen a lot of changes in my daughters, and I'm very happy about it. This is really working for both my daughters. Thank you.
I came here for brain mapping and the brain activation course for my son. By doing the brain mapping, I came to know about his positives and the negatives, and on the areas on which we had to work for his improvement. And this course helped us a lot.
Hi, this is Sharad Vasant here. My two boys have attended seminar with Suresh Kuti on Brainwave. It was amazing experience. They really liked it. Actually, it helped them basically smoothing their brain and their thinking logically. Now they have, after this seminar, they have understood what they can do it, what is their power, what they can visualize. Also, we have done a brain mapping, and I think it has really helped us in terms of which direction we should bring our kids, and we should focus where they can make their career. Not only the career, but also what sort of behavior they generally like it, and what sort of behavior they don't like it. This has really helped us in terms of how where to focus and how to go about it. And Suresh Kuti has actually explained us very politely, very patiently. Kids are very hyperactive, but I think he was very nice to them, and I think children are liking to come here repeatedly, and it was a wonderful experience. Thank you.
My son Aditya faced trouble dealing with technical drawing during his grade 10. I took him to Kutti sir for guidance, where we got his brain mapping done, which helped us know the appropriate path for his future. We also got his brain stimulation workshops done, which definitely helped boost up his confidence, and which resulted in a positive improvement in his results.
Thank you.
Thank you.